Hello, welcome to South Yarra BMW. My name is Grant, I'm the Product Genius here at the dealership. This is the second installment of our how-to video series. In today's episode, we're going to focus on how to enter destinations into the navigation system of the iDrive Operating System 7 fitted in this BMW X4. Simply press the voice command button on the steering wheel and state your desired destination in one sentence. For example, drive me to South Yarra BMW in Melbourne, Australia.
All right, our next destination is South Yarra BMW.
To end the active route guidance, press the voice command button again and say End Navigation. End Navigation.
I've already deactivated the route guidance.
Alternatively, you can use the search function within the navigation menu. The software has recently been updated and now shows a list of simplified menu options on the left-hand side. Click Search, then use the preferred data entry option. I use the keypad option button as I find it a little easier to use and a bit faster than the iDrive controller. The other option is to handwrite the letters on the top pad of the iDrive controller. Select the desired option on the right-hand side to start the route guidance. To manually end the route guidance, press Map and select Stop on the top right-hand side of the nav menu. You can save the destinations you've previously entered or delete them as necessary. Go to Nav, My Destinations, highlight the address you would like to save, press the Option button on the iDrive controller and select Save Destination as Favourite. To delete a previous destination, repeat the process, but select Delete Destination instead. The final menu option on the left-hand side is Receive Destinations. These will be the ones that you send to the vehicle via the BMW Connected app. Continue to explore the options on the right-hand side to personalize the screen and apply the desired settings. To explore the full list of voice commands, press the voice control button on the steering wheel and say help. That brings us to the end of our second episode. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me here at South Yarra BMW.